Steve here, RCing. I'm with the SG1203 Ripsaw tank. I got it modified with the paddle tracks I did up and also the timing of the motor. I'm running 2S LiPo. We got some snow and this little ramp here, so let's see how she does. There goes my ramp. She cooks in the snow. Get this jump here. Let's try this wall here. Oh, wrong way. Oh! Oh, I just nailed it sideways on a rock. Going pretty good. See what she does on this ramp here. I think I need to put that ramp up higher. Let's do that now. See if I can get this ramp to stay. Now she should fly. Let me get this other side here. Now, let's see what she could do. Whoa! You don't want to do that. Maybe I made it a little too steep. Let's see when I come down here. There we go. Going up, it's hard. Let's see. Up's the hard part. As you're going up a hill, I have to let off. That was nice. Side tabled it. See what it looks like from the side here. And you get down on the snow. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. There she comes. Oh, face plant. Or should I say side plant? was nice. Oh, I slid down on the side. It's slippery. She's working really good in the snow, jumping like a beauty. My timing mod's working great on the 2S LiPo. It's awesome. Whoa, I think I blew a track. Yes sir, indeed I did. Go in reverse. Try some scale stuff here. She's boogieing. See if we could take it somewhere over here. Off-roading in the backyard. Hard to drive here. This is just working like a beauty. Oh, this thing's working awesome with my modifications. Let's see if we can get up in here. See if we can get up in here. Yep. Oh, not in the shrubbery. I have to set the reverse for more power. It's too deep to get out of these tough spots. Woohoo! There she goes. Paddle tracks are working great. Whoa, don't want to fall off that. Can't get up there. See my reverse? I have it too slow. Doesn't have enough power. That was nice. It's working good. These Ripsaw tanks are fun. Different type of RC to have fun with, and they're not that expensive either, so they're pretty neat. I have a blast with it every time I take it out. That's why I got 4 of them. Well guys, there you have it, the Ripsaw, the modified, timing of the motor, advanced. We got the paddle tracks going. There she goes. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hit that bell for future videos. Leave a comment if you can. Looks like my track has got some ice under it. There it is. It's on now. And I'll see you next time. Shen RC out. One last jump. Woo! And now to clean up the mess.